case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2015, the Supreme Court of the United States presided over the case of Perez versus Mortg, Bankers Asin, presenting a critical examination of government agency authority and procedural protocol. The underlying disagreement centered around whether a government agency was obligated to follow a pre-established set of procedures, notably involving public commentary, prior to altering its interpretation of a regulation. This dispute initially took root in 2006, when the Department of Labor exempted mortgage loan officers from certain regulations. However, in 2010, the department did an about-face without public commentary, stating that these officers no longer qualified for the exemption. The Supreme Court was consequently tasked with a dual role: to determine if the department should have permitted public comments before shifting stances, and to examine the wider constitutional implications of the Seminole Rock deference doctrine, which empowers agencies to interpret their own regulations. Presented with these complexities, the court, through a majority opinion delivered by Justice Sotomayor, ruled that government agencies are not necessarily required to follow notice and comment rulemaking procedures stipulated in the Administrative Procedure Act when altering their interpretation of regulations. This landmark decision solidified the principle that these procedures must only be followed when explicitly required. Furthermore, the case cast light on the crucial issue of the separation of powers, as concerns were raised regarding the Seminole Rock deference doctrine. The court affirmed the constitutional position that the authority to create legally binding interpretations of regulations rests solely with the judiciary, not government agencies. This ruling reinforced vital checks and balances, underscoring the independent role of judges in law interpretation and the necessity of maintaining clear divisions of judicial and executive power.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.